Hello and welcome to Fixer Developers for the latest real estate update. If you are interested in Telangana property market, stay tuned as we bring you the top 4 real estate highlights from the past week. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Revised land prices implementation. Our first big update, the Telangana government is moving ahead with the implementation of the revised land prices. Starting this year, official market value will be adjusted in key districts like Rangareddy, Hyderabad and Medchal Malkajgiri. The move aimed to bring government valuation closer to actual market rate. What does this mean for buyers and sellers? Expected higher property prices and an increase in registration charges. Overall housing sales performance. Despite the dip in registration, Hyderabad real estate market is still strong. The 2024, the city recorded a total of 75,512 housing transactions, a slight increase from 2023. Not just that, the total value of these transactions jumped by 30%, reaching a whopping of Rs 45,190 crore. This clearly indicates a positive long-term trend for investors. Shift towards premium properties. Luxury living is on the rise. The demand for the premium properties priced above Rs 1 crore has increased significantly. In last quarter, 30% of all property transactions in Hyderabad were for high-end homes, compared to just 11% the previous year. This shows that buyers are willing to invest more in upscales and luxury housing projects. Government initiatives. Finally, let's talk about some government-backed initiatives. The Telangana State Cabinet recently approved multiple welfare schemes, including financial support to housewives and the Indiramma housing scheme. This initiative might not directly impact the real estate market but boost the home ownership among low-income groups. This would drive more affordable housing projects in near future. And that's a wrap on this week Telangana real estate updates. What do you think about these trends? Are you planning to invest in Hyderabad real estate market? Let us know in comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video.